start hitting, you can just move it with your fingers just like that.
That's a nice curved port too.
Oh yeah.
Did a good job. I like that. Can I come in?
Yeah, you can put the seat back too.
All right.
So you can fit.
Oh man, you got a lift.
Oh yeah.
So what's your name real quick and what else in here?
My name's Devon. It is a 2008 Tahoe. I got two Memphis M612s tuned to 49 hertz in a custom box, all 0 gauge. It's on a 2,000 watt Skar RMS. My doors are DS18s. I only have 4 of them. It's on a 1,000 watt RMS.
Okay.
All 0 gauge.
Who built the box?
A dude out of Georgia called R&H Sounds. He builds a bunch of boxes.
Okay. I'll go look at it afterward.
Okay.
All right. Did you ever meter it?
Yeah, I just got done.
Okay.
It had 143.90.
Okay, what frequency?
He said 17 hertz.
17.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't get how that happened either.
All good. All right. You never know till you meter.
Yeah.
big is your lift?
7.5 with about 1.5 inch upper control arms.
Okay.
And 24x14s on 35s.
Nice. That was pretty loud, especially I think around 52, 54 hertz.
Yeah.
Oh, that song was good. What was that? Decaf? Nice. Okay.
Yeah, Gucci man already.
All right. Can I see the back?
Yeah.
Curious to see where your port is. Yeah. Nice. So you got 2 ports. Okay.
Yeah. Curve ports.
And you got this so it doesn't move?
Yep.
Okay.
Because when I put it in without that, when the bass start hitting, you can just move it with your fingers just like that.
That's a nice curved port too.
Oh yeah.
Did a good job. I like that. Do you know the specs on it? How big it is?
It's 2.5 cubic feet per.
Okay. All right. Thanks for the demo. Nice to meet you again.
Yes, sir.
What was your name?
Devon.
Devon. Appreciate it, Devon.
Yeah. You want to see the amps?
Yeah. Good look. Thank you for showing me. Is this at 1 ohm? 2 ohm?
It's at 2 ohm.
Okay, so you have a 1 ohm amp at 2 ohm.
Yep.
Okay. Then you got a 25. Nice. That's a good idea. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.